Hello everyone. Hi, my dear. Come, let's talk about something important. Do you know what I had? Do you know what is happening? That lady that poop on that baby's head and give the baby wee wee, and the baby drink wee wee. You know why I'm saying this way? That lady Stella from Uganda. Do you know that this girl is the one that video herself? Her neighbor's child, her neighbor went out and dropped the child with her. My brother, my sister, I was just, in fact, it's now that I begin to cry concerning this. You will be say, if you want to go out, you want to go to market, you go and carry your baby and drop for somebody you don't know. Because this lady, this Stella, this woman thought he knows Stella, but he don't know Stella. First of all, I want to thank you for sharing that video. Because you are sharing the video, everyone that have shared the video, just thank you. You shared the video, and that was why the government of Uganda saw the video. I think the mother of that child saw the video and reported the case. Make I tell you wetin they talk. Stella is 34 years. Stella is not even, though they didn't say whether she's married or not married. Though. But I know that had it been she's married with kids, they will say it. What did Stella said about this? Stella said that she don't know what come over her. Na devil come over her, and she poo-poo on a child and gave the boy poo-poo. Gave the boy wee-wee. The boy can't drink. Infection. A lot of children today are suffering just because of maybe mistake of the parents. Some parents will trust their friends a lot. Some parents will trust their neighbor a lot. When you are going out, you drop the child. Drop the child with the person you trusted without knowing that that particular child is suffering there. If you are keeping your child for somebody else, please put your eyes in the water. Look very well to know whether you're going to see any ass particle inside. With this your naked eyes, before you use microscope, first look. So now, government of Uganda said that Stella will be going to jail. 35 years imprisonment. Join it with 34 years. You see that she will stay just maybe 1 year, she will become 70. When will she marry? When will she born? And now she says she don't know what's come over her. I say, na demon come over her. She don't know. She have been doing it. There is something else she is doing that is bigger than this. That is the reason why God exposed her. It's you and me that is still having our secrets that we are keeping, doing things that you are doing in secret, thinking that no one will know about it. You better stop it today. Because one day it will leak. You that you are living with someone, and you, if no, sometimes they say it's a madam that maltreat house help. Some house help maltreat their madams. So if you are among the house help that maltreat your madam, you better change. If you are among the neighbor that maltreats your friends, you better change. Because one day is one day. You are going to reap what you sow. Do you see how what landed this girl from Uganda? Look at what he did. Not be only this Nigeria bad thing they did. You don't take your eyes here. Now I say make I come today. Make I come tell you, and make I come say thank you for everyone who shared that video. Because it's when you are sharing the video, the mother of that boy saw it and took it to the police. And look at the results. Thank you for a good justice. And thank you for all your hearts. Bye.